Welcome. Today we are making banana cup pancakes. So as you can see, I'm cracking 1 egg. I'm going to add 180 ml of full cream milk. So I start with wet ingredient first, and then later on I'm going to measure a dry ingredient. I have self-raising them. You can use any brand of self-raising flour. It's so nice. I like self-raising. So I'm going to measure 2 cups. If you're measuring cups, it's 250 ml, no problem. Mine it's 180 ml, the biggest one. So I'm going to go ahead and measure 2 cups. I have sugar with me. I'm going to mix the sugar into the self-raising flour. I'm going to weigh to measure a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I have vanilla essence. There it goes. And then I also have light sour cream. The reason why I'm adding sour cream is because I want my pancakes to be fluffy and moist. So that's why I love adding sour cream. So you have to mix it up until everything is well mixed. We don't need lumps of sour cream. I'm gonna set that aside and then start mixing my dry ingredient. So I'm going to start with a half of the dry ingredient and mix it all, and then again I'll pour another mixture, the rest of the mixture, into the jar and also mix it up until it's thick. There we go. I'm mixing in the rest of the dry ingredients. So as you can see, my mixture is too thick, way too much. So I'm going to grab the milk, add it in there. So in here we need a nice consistency. We don't need to be too runny, but also it must be thick and nice. So be sure that it's not too runny and it's also not too thick. So I have with me a banana, a well-ripe banana. I just want to cut it into little chips, little pieces. There we go. If you want, you can mash it. For me, I want that texture of those banana pieces into my pancakes. So if you want it smooth, you just have to mash it using a fork. So you also have to mix it so that it blends very well. So with me, I have olive oil. You can also use baking spray. It's also nice. It makes your pancakes to come out so nice. They won't even stick on the pot because you can see I'm using a non-stick pot. So now I'm going to go ahead and weigh out the butter. I'm using a 59 ml cup. So the reason why I'm weighing out The reason why I'm measuring is because I want my pancakes to be the same size. That's why I'm weighing it out. So as you can see, it's starting to make those small bubbles in there. That means it's cooking so nice. Don't forget your heat, it must be on low. Don't put it on high, otherwise you'll burn your pancakes. So as you can see, there's those big bubbles in there. That means your pancake, it's ready. So you can see the golden brown color in there. That means your pancake is ready to flip on the other side. So you can see it's nice and golden brown. You need to be patient because this can take time. You can bake like 3 pancakes at a time, but make sure that when you flip them, there's enough space on the pot. Or you can do one at a time, it depends with you. So fast forward, now we are done making pancakes. With me I have blueberries and also raspberries. I'm gonna garnish them. I'm gonna use them to garnish on my pancakes. So now I have pancake syrup. Just gonna go ahead and pour it on top of the pancakes, on top of the garnish. It looks so nice. This is the final product, as you can see. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Instagram. My handle is Dandy's Kitchen. Meet you in the next video. Bye.